Like if I realized I read the sign wrong, I'd be like, oh. The wall isn't finished yet, but I got a lot done. After I'm able to remove the painter's tape, I'll post a picture of one design. Don't expect anything grand. Hey, if it's more than a solid wall, it will impress me. During this COVID, we have so many say nice things like how we are doing great, being open, risking ourselves, etc. Do you notice still an increase in mean people though? Because like I always hear these stories of people like freaking out over the rules, like they get told to step back to social distance and they just like go off, or like I feel like I've heard a lot of horror stories like that with retail. I think some people are just waiting to go off on someone, like just waiting to snap. They're just looking for something they can freak about. Don't know if you have this in Canada, but Bert, the man uses bank card contactless without the PIN. Yeah, we do have that. Before she had a chance to do hers, I said, nope, too late. He's paid now. Was so nice. Oh, I missed the first half. Got her shopping paid for by a man. That is really sweet. I did that with my sister once. I snuck in and like tapped my card before she could tap hers. And it broke the machine. like the machine froze and they had to reboot the system. I was like, damn it. I was trying to be sneaky. But somehow, tapping my card made the whole damn thing reboot, and then the surprise is gone. Becky Can't Fly, thank you for the 9 months. It says, woo, 9 months. Don't catch your stream much because I live in the UK, but glad I caught this one. I feel like my stream times actually work great for the UK because I start at like 10 a.m. Like this stream started at 10 a.m. here, which is like 6 p.m. Well, it depends. I don't know how many time zones you got, but it's like the evening for people in UK when I start mine, which is like the perfect time. Last night, I was following my mom around Walmart, and this lady in a mask and gloves was glaring at us, and I was like, ma'am, do you have something to say about me standing next to my mother who I live with while you were touching all the things you're buying, then digging in your purse without switching your gloves out? 3 weeks ago, a man literally coughed into the back of my head, so when I got home, I showered immediately, didn't leave the house for the entire 3 weeks because I was so freaked out. Ew. I've had someone yell at me that I'm not cleaning the pin pad after each use. I was getting my disinfectant spray out to clean the pin pad. Wasn't sure if all countries have contactless payment system. In Japan, they use mostly cash. Interesting. Yeah, here it's tap, but you can normally only tap up to $100. I think certain banks increased the limit of how much you can tap for because of COVID. I don't think it's as common in the States because they always get confused when I tap my card. They're like, ma'am, insert your card. Insert your card, ma'am. And then it's like, beep. And they're like, oh. Actually, a lot of places still make me swipe too, but that could just be because I have a foreign